Let's go to the farm. Let's go to the farm. Come along with me. So many animals for us to see. The cow says moo in the big green field. She eats fresh grass. That's her yummy meal. The sheep says baa with a woolly coat, bouncing around like a little goat. The pig says oink from the muddy ground, rolling and snorting all around. The duck says quack in the little pond, splashing and swimming all day long. The horse says neigh and runs so fast, he gallops by when you walk past. The dog says woof, he guards the farm, always alert and full of charm. Moo moo here and a ba ba there, oink oink, quack quack, everywhere. Neigh and woof, it's such a blast. On the happy farm, we're having a laugh. Wave goodbye to the animals too. They had so much fun with you. Come again and sing this song. The farm is where you all belong. Music note home.